What's up, everyone? In this video series, we are going over the top 100 interview questions on Let's Code. Today's question, our topic, is going to be remove duplicates from sorted array number 2. Now, we use ChatGPT and Copilot to answer these questions, and the goal of the channel is just to make everything real simple. I'm currently practicing coding. I've been through boot camps. I've been through a lot of meetups, and understanding code can be complicated when you first get into this. So the goal of this channel is to make things simple for you. Now I switched up how I'm having chat answer these questions. I'm an anime nerd, as you can see. I'm a gamer as well. So like some of the stuff that I'm into, I want to speak to those people. So when chat answers these questions, it's going to answer it in a video game format or an anime format, as I instructed it to do. So what we do is we'll copy and paste all of this into chat, this entire thing. Copy that. This channel is called Just Java, so we use Java. Once chat answers this question, we'll plug it in here and see if it works. So let's go ahead and go over to chat, and we'll pop this in there. I said chat is already instructed what to do, so this should be pretty good. What in the world? Let's try it again. All right, got it. For this coding problem, do you want to explain the theme around gamers or anime? We're gonna do well, I plan on playing this game today, so we're gonna do gamers today. It'll do this whole entire thing, and then we'll go ahead and read it out. So let's see. I think you have to be at the bottom for it to read it. And as it's reading, we'll scroll back up so you can see everything that chat says. Hopefully everything makes sense. If it doesn't, I'll do another version, but let's start from the top.
Hesher Story, the quest for unique items. In the mystical land of Arrayville, there's a rule that every adventurer must follow. Each unique item can only appear twice in your inventory. Our hero, a brave gamer named Alex, has a bag array filled with items, integers, sorted in non-decreasing order. The challenge is to ensure that no item appears more than twice while maintaining the order. The challenge. Given an array of items sorted in non-decreasing order, remove some duplicates in place such that each unique item appears at most twice. The relative order of the items should remain the same. The plan: Alex needs to traverse the array and ensure that each unique item appears at most twice. If an item appears more than twice, Alex will skip it. The solution. Here's how Alex can accomplish this task with a simple strategy using a loop. Java public class remove duplicates, public int remove duplicates, int nums, if nums.length equals 2, return nums.length, int index equals 2, start from the third element for int I equal 2, I nums.length I++, if nums I equal nums index times 2, nums index equals nums I, index++, return index. K, the length of the array with unique elements appearing at most twice. Public static void main string args, remove duplicates rd equals new remove duplicates, int nums1 equals 111223, int nums2 equals 00111123, system.out.print output for nums1, rd.remove duplicates nums1, system.out.println output for nums2, r.remove duplicates nums2. Explanation 1. Initialization, start with the third element, index 2, since the first two can always stay. 2. Traversal, loop through the array starting from the third element. 3. Condition check, for each element, check if it's different from the element 2 positions before it. 4. Update, if it is different, place it in the current position and move the index forward. 5. Result, the final index value represents the length of the modified array with each unique element appearing at most twice. Output example.
Now Alex can continue the quest with a perfectly managed inventory. All right, so the point was to manage Alex's inventory. This makes sense to me. So we'll just copy this code. we'll go ahead and switch back over to, oh, hold on. My bad, hold on one second. Go ahead and head over here. And we will dump this code in here. Let's make sure to remove blah blah blah. Okay. And we will see if this code works. Let's run this. We got a compile error. So what is it saying that our new solution in a different class? Wow. All right. So we got to go back and tell chat to stop doing this class nonsense. We want it all in one like solution. So let me give chat an example of how it should look, because you put things in two different classes, and that's not what we do with Let's Code. Say put the answers in one class. All right. Boy, create class solution. Temporal bomb. Class means. Let's see if this one works. All right, so this worked, and I actually understand the problem, and it made sense, but with chat's not doing it, I'll have to update this later. We're gonna let this go for right now, but I want chat to, when it gives me these answers, it needs to all be in this one area. Like, I don't want to create a different method to solve this problem. So what it did is it created a different method, and this is just way too complicated for beginners, but it worked. So we'll run with it. Both cases pass. I'll submit it, and then I'm going to see what other people have done. Of course it went fast because chat is ridiculously accurate. So let's see what someone else did. See, this is more of what I was expecting. Everything in one class, and not creating all these different methods and whatnot. So I don't particularly like the way chat is giving me the answers. I'll update this in future videos, but for now, this worked. If you are interested in learning code and you want it broken down into simple forms, this is the channel for you. Just real quick, so I worked with chat, and I just wanted to give y'all this update before we end the video. So what we'll start doing from now on is the variables I actually like have to do with the story. So as you can see, I don't know, I'm a geek about this kind of stuff. So we have the hero index, the monster index, the current score, game score, score counts. It's just from moving forward, I'll make the variables and stuff like that related to what my story is about. And then we'll make sure that he's not using, or it's not using more than one class. So we just had to do a couple of instructions to update some stuff, but yeah, that's it. Peace.